Scott here with 802 Outdoor Adventures. Thanks for joining us today. We're exploring a new river. Well, it's not really new. We've been down below, so we got permission on private property up here. So it's a new section of a river we've been to. It is a gold-bearing river. Others have found gold down below us. We're a couple miles above where they usually find gold. And right behind me there, that's not bedrock. That is a big rock. And I'll flip the camera around and show you, but that thing is huge. But we dropped down below. There is some bedrock back upstream, so I'll show you this big ass rock here. It's starting to rain. Wasn't in the forecast today, but that's Vermont, you know, at least it ain't snowing. So anyway, let me show you this big ass rock here, and then we'll jump back upstream, get into some bedrock. I'll show you some pictures of what we're doing, and hopefully we'll show you some gold today. If not, it'll be one of the shortest videos you've seen on my channel. That is one big rock. I don't think that moved during Irene. It might have, but I would doubt it. And if we spin upstream a little bit of you can see up there in the distance on the left hand side there, that's all bedrock coming out of the bank. So we're gonna head back up there. Hopefully this rain passes, and we're gonna scratch around, see what we can't find. Stay tuned. So here's the bedrock that we're looking at. Rick's got the reaper set up, and I was just beyond him digging in a crack there. And look at that. It's not big, but it's gold, baby. One piece so far. That's better than our last like 4 outings. I went out yesterday and started to do a video, but I just didn't find anything, and it wasn't worth filming, so we had high hopes for this. I'm gonna go across the river there and find some more cracks to scrape out and see if there's anything over there. So stay tuned, we'll be back. We got a helper here today. That's Cujo. He's helping us find the gold, but nobody's having any luck today. Not looking good. Oh, I thought I saw a micro poop, but it took off.
Nothing.
No fly poop, no nothing. I just spent a bunch of time across over there. I didn't get anything, so I left my camera on this side, so that wasn't too smart. Material's pretty light here. Does have some black sand, but there was hardly anything in the bedrock. And you know, technically it's on the outside of the bend here. I always check it anyway, you never know. Couple of micros. I might get it cleaned up before I post the video, be able to get some pictures of it, but right now I just kept the con. So I think we're gonna go down a little bit here and check on the other side as the river takes a turn the other way. See what we see. We'll be back. I figured I'd better add this little bit to the video because I forgot to let everyone in on a little purchase that I made recently. If you remember a while back, I had unboxed a small drone that I was going to start using to try to integrate some drone footage into my videos. I thought that would be kind of cool. Well, it turned out that inexpensive drone was a terrible flyer when it was over water in uneven terrain. So if there was rocks sticking out of the ground, like there is in rivers, it got confused and it would just lurch in any direction that it thought it needed to go, and it was really uncontrollable. I ended up crashing it like 4 times into trees, and stuff like that once into the ground, because it took a nosedive uncontrollably, and it does it so quick that you can't catch it. So if it's near a tree or near something, and in this case I was bringing it in for a landing, and it just took off on me right into the ground. So anyway, enough about that one. This one's not new. I did buy another one from eBay. I thought I got a good deal on it, and let me flip the camera around and we'll show you what do we got here. This is the Autel Evo, the original Evo. They've since come out with like an Evo 2 and an Evo 2 Pro, but this is the original one. Has a 3-axis gimbal on it, and I will tell you what, the only problem this thing has over water and uneven terrain and obstacles is the guy behind the controller. This thing is a super duper smooth flying machine, and I will add in some footage in this video, but before I did, I figured I'd better at least show you all that this new drone will be part of my videos, I think, from now on. I really enjoyed getting the footage that I got today. I may throw in some footage that I got yesterday. Took a hike in the afternoon and met Dave up on Buffalo Brook. He was doing a little panning, and I think I'll throw that in as well. Really didn't get any gold today, so we'll just finish this video out with some drone footage. Hope you enjoy. Bye.